Let's elope to a nearby ocean where we can express all our emotions. Let's begin the evening by the ocean, away from the city's commotions. Let's sit by the ocean and hold hands with no caution. Let's lay and sleep by the ocean and be kissing with no measure. Let's steal the breeze from the ocean while we are talking our love discussion. Let's walk on the sands of the ocean and count the waves in motion. Let's dream dreams by the ocean. And you can lean on me, I am your portion. Let's see the beauty of the ocean and a vast unending closure.